Let's discuss least kitchen gadgets. All gadgets links in comment and description. Let's start the video. Cuisinart 14-cup food processor might be your dream come true. This powerhouse, equipped with a 720-watt motor, dices, shreds, purees, and even kneads dough with effortless precision. From creamy hummus to perfectly sliced veggies, it makes meal prep feel like a breeze. Its stainless steel design adds a modern touch, while the dishwasher-safe parts ensure easy cleanup. With a large feed tube and multiple attachments, it's built for versatility and convenience. Pros: powerful 720-watt motor handles tough jobs. Large 14-cup capacity, perfect for families or batch cooking. Easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts. Durable stainless steel design. Comes with various blades for slicing, shredding, and mixing. Cons: shredding and slicing blades are not adjustable. Heavy at 18 pounds, making it less portable. Noisy operation during heavy use. Next, comfy stainless steel electric kettle, a sleek and efficient solution to your hot beverage needs. With its 1,500 W power, this kettle heats 1.7 liters of water in just 7 minutes. Perfect for your morning tea or coffee. The BPA-free stainless steel design ensures safety and durability, while features like auto shut-off, boil dry protection, and a cool touch handle make it user-friendly and safe. Its modern LED light adds a stylish touch to any kitchen. Pros: boils water quickly in 7 minutes. Safe with auto shutoff and boil dry protection. BPA-free and food-grade stainless steel interior. Easy to clean with a removable filter and wide opening. Cons: limited to boiling water, no temperature settings. Handle may feel bulky for some users. Next, Zule Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set, a game changer for home cooks and chefs. Its durable zinc alloy build and ergonomic handle make crushing garlic effortless even without peeling. Say goodbye to smelly hands, sticky residue, or wasted garlic. It's dishwasher safe and versatile enough for ginger, spices, and even nuts. Plus, it comes with a silicone peeler and brush for easy cleanup. Pros: durable and rust-proof design. Effortless mincing with minimal wrist strain. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean. Multifunctional for garlic, ginger, and spices. Cons: slightly heavy for prolonged use. Non-adjustable crushing size. Next, Briefton's 10-blade vegetable spiralizer is a must-have for anyone seeking to transform their kitchen experience. With its sturdy BPA-free ABS plastic build and 10 premium Japanese stainless steel blades, it makes meal prep effortless and fun. Whether you're turning zucchini into zoodles, creating curly fries, or crafting gourmet garnishes, this spiralizer handles even the toughest veggies like sweet potatoes and butternut squash with ease. The super-sized suction pad ensures stability, while the compact design, catch container, and blade caddy keep your kitchen neat and organized. Plus, with included ebooks featuring healthy recipes, you can unlock endless culinary possibilities for low-carb, keto, vegan, or paleo diets. It's perfect for busy families and health-conscious cooks alike. Pros: durable and sturdy for hard vegetables. Comes with 10 interchangeable blades for versatility. Compact design with easy storage and cleanup. Includes recipe ebooks for inspiration. Cons: manual operation requires effort for large batches. May be bulky for very small kitchens. Next, EKO Aroma Touchless automatic soap dispenser, the ultimate innovation for clean and hassle-free hand washing. This sleek stainless steel dispenser combines style and functionality with a touch-free sensor that dispenses soap in just 0.2 seconds, ensuring top-notch hygiene. Whether it's liquid soap, dish soap, or hand sanitizer gel, this device makes refilling effortless with a pop-up lid. With 3 customizable dispensing levels, it's perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or even offices. Its USB rechargeable battery offers an impressive 3 months of use on a single charge. Built with a water-resistant design, this dispenser operates flawlessly in wet environments, while the 9 FL Oz capacity means fewer refills. Plus, the innovative self-cleaning mode keeps the internal mechanism in top condition, guaranteeing years of dependable use. Pros: swift, touch-free operation for maximum hygiene. Customizable dispensing for various needs. Durable, water-resistant design perfect for wet areas. Long-lasting rechargeable battery with a convenient USB Type-C port. Effortless refilling and self-cleaning technology. Cons: limited to liquid soap or gel-based sanitizers. Higher initial cost compared to traditional dispensers. That's awesome and superb, bro. Next, Beaverdy Flip-It Bottle Emptying Kit, a genius solution for completely using up every bit of product without mess or hassle. This upside-down bottle cap design ensures effortless pouring of thick liquids like shampoo, lotion, or condiments. Simply flip it, squeeze, and enjoy leak leak-proof dispensing. Made with high-quality, durable TPE, this compact gadget is a game-changer for your everyday essentials. Pros: efficiently empties every last drop. Leak-proof and easy to use. Works with a variety of bottle types and liquids. Cons: limited compatibility due to a fixed cap diameter. Only available in one size and color. Next, J and Blake Nesting Stone Dish Drying Mats. Made of high-quality diatomaceous earth, these mats absorb water in seconds and dry faster than you can imagine. Their sleek, dark gray leaf design adds elegance to your kitchen, while the nesting feature saves space. Use them under dishes, pet bowls, or even as plant saucers. Versatility meets style. Pros: super absorbent and quick drying. Space-saving nesting design. Durable, heat-resistant, and easy to clean. Cons: stains from dark liquids may need extra care. Can't be placed in direct sunlight. Next, Von Dior 85 ounces. Coffee carafe with pump is a game changer for anyone who loves hot or cold beverages but doesn't want the hassle of constantly reheating or worrying about spills. Whether you're hosting a big event or just need a reliable coffee dispenser for your office, this carafe ensures your drinks stay hot for up to 20 hours or cold for 36 hours. Just imagine sipping your favorite beverage all day long. The pump action spout makes it so easy to serve, eliminating the need to lift heavy carafes, making it especially great for kids and elderly guests. Plus, it's incredibly easy to clean thanks to its wide mouth and detachable lid, so no more struggling to scrub into tight spaces. The 85 ounces capacity is large enough to serve up to 12 cups, making it perfect for big gatherings, events, or just keeping your morning brew hot. Whether you're at a buffet, office, or having a quiet moment at home, this carafe adds an extra touch of convenience to your daily routine. Pros: keeps beverages hot for 20 hours or cold for 36 hours. Pump action dispenser is easy for all ages to use. Large capacity, holds 85 ounces, enough for 12 cups. Wide mouth design makes cleaning super easy. Cons: the pump pressure might take some getting used to. Slightly bulky for smaller spaces or personal use. Next, Ninja TB 401 Detect Kitchen System. Power Blender Plus Processor Pro is a powerhouse designed to make your kitchen life effortless, whether you're blending smoothies or chopping veggies. With an 1800 peak watt motor, it powers through even the toughest ingredients. The innovative BlendSense technology automatically adjusts speed and time for perfect results. And the 72 ounces pitcher and 64 ounces food processor bowl allow you to make large batches for the whole family. Plus, the 24 ounces single-serve cup lets you take your favorite drink on the go. It's the perfect combination of power, versatility, and ease. Pros: powerful 1800 peak watt motor tackles tough ingredients with ease. BlendSense technology ensures smooth results without the guesswork. Multiple accessories, including a food processor and slicing shredding disc for all your meal prep needs. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Cons: a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. Manual speed control only available in the full-sized pitcher, which could be limiting for smaller tasks. Next, Svavo automatic soap dispenser offers an innovative hygienic solution for any environment. With its touchless infrared sensor, you can enjoy a fully hands-free experience, making it easier and more sanitary to wash your hands without worrying about contamination or spills. Its 0.2-second activation ensures quick dispensing, while the non-drip valve guarantees a clean, mess-free surface. This soap dispenser is perfect for high-traffic areas like bathrooms, kitchens, and offices, offering a generous 600 milliliters capacity to reduce refills and save you time. Pros: touchless operation for optimal hygiene and convenience. Non-drip valve prevents soap wastage and mess. Space-saving wall mount design. Large capacity 600 milliliters for fewer refills. Energy efficient, lasting up to 1 year on 4 AA batteries. Cons: requires liquid soap with a certain consistency. Not suitable for thicker soaps. Batteries not included, which means an extra purchase up front. That's enough for today. Share your thoughts and comments about this video and must subscribe for more. Let's meet in these videos. Be happy and stay safe.